Hi, this is Nature X, your desktop smartwatch. It's time to get up. I just opened the curtains for you. I will be everywhere in your home. This is today's agenda. Buy some flowers when you come back. Air quality in your room is in the perfect shape. Let's enjoy breakfast. Turn on your car aircon. Ready to go. I'll take care of your home when you are away. Welcome back. Wow, you bring flowers back. Lights up in your style. Curtains are opened in your position. Take a nap. Check the weight. Cool. Lose a little bit. It's reading time. It's working time. It's surfing time. It's yoga time. It's movie time. I'm everywhere in your home. Let's have some music before I go to bed. Good night. This is Nature X, your desktop smartwatch.